Hello friends, I am Ashish Chokar, hobbyist of robotics and intelligent system, and here I am going to talk about home automation, which can save your home when you are out of station, save your time and money, add safety to your home through appliances, and secure home through automatic door locking. Here I am going to demonstrate a home automation design. My system doesn't require any changes in a pre-connected internal wiring of the house. I am using a client-server technique in which I can add or remove any client from my home complete automation system at any time of instant. It not affect and my home automation. This make it flexible and reliable. My system is completely wire-free. I am not changing anything in the internal wiring of the house. Your system require a client server, client system and your server. First of all, client server. This is a client system. This hard piece will control your appliances and plays with your appliance. It receives control from the server using a radio frequency at 433 MHz. It requires a 12 volt power supply. The main component of this board are relays, RF receiver, encoder IC and some indicators which are used to display. Okay, the connection of this board to your system is very easy. You can connect it very easily. It consists of I made this for the 4 switches. I can control 4 switches of your system or your appliances using this board, but its capability to control the 8 board switches at the same time. So how you connect your switches? Only plug these 2 switches with your parallel with to the appliances on a switch. This is server. It receives the signal from the processing unit, which may be a computer or a smartphone. It receives control signal from the processing unit using the Bluetooth, which generally come with every mobile or computer. I am not using here a Wi-Fi module because it makes the server costly. The packet received from the Bluetooth is further processed by the microcontroller at Vega 328 and understand which client switch need to control. After identifying the address of your switch, it communicates with the client using the radio frequency, which make it cheaper. Before radio frequency communication, it encodes the data using this encoder IC. These type of system are easy to build and require less cost. If any system damaged, we can change it and easily replace it. So let's go for the demonstration. All processes start from the processing unit. It may be a computer or a mobile. All the intelligent programs is written in the processing unit. It will process intelligently and send a control signal to the server. In my case, my intelligent processing unit is my mobile. I am sending a control signal through my mobile and it will receive by my server, which is there. It will receive my server control signal through the Bluetooth and understand the address of a switch and command the switch to which switch has to be controlled. So it will this is a client server. It will receive the signal and it will control the board. Here in my case, there is only 2 switches, so I am here controlling only 2 switches. The 2 other is not working there. So I am right starting my code working and sending a control signal. You can see there the indicators. It's lighting, and whatever command I am sending, it will lighting the switches. I am here switch off the lights and I can turn off the fan, turn off the light, other switches which are not working there. By doing this, it will command from my mobile, it will send the system and how this is my home automation works. Cost of my client system is less than 700 rupees and cost of my server is less than 1500 rupees. I hope you like my demonstration and thanks for watching this video.